friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Enjin coin. What's the current price of Enjin coin? What's the prices goes at this time in Enjin coin? In this video I will show you friends, and especially I will show you the emergency urgent update of Enjin coin. So that is why keep watch this video till the end friends, and remember that if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of Enjin coin. Now the current price of Enjin coin is about 2.55 USD dollar is the current price of Enjin coin friends. If we talk about the price change occurs, so as you can see the change as here of Enjin coin, the last 1 hour change is positive and the last 1 day change is negative, and the last 1 week change as positive friends. So friends, a lot of people personally message me on Instagram that why Enjin coin falls down friends. So finally in this video I will give you the reason of the falling of Enjin coin. As you know, as you can see here on the screen, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart friends. If we look, the price change occurred in the Enjin coin, so the price change as negative is negative 5.28%. And if you look the highest price, so the highest price of the Enjin coin is about 2.73 USD dollar, and now the current price is, you can see here, 2.55 USD dollar. So absolutely a very big price change occur in the Enjin coin friends. As you can see here, that is highest price and that is the currently price of Enjin coin live in a market friends. So absolutely and it is clear from the chart of the Enjin coin, as you can see here, that only and only fast occur in the Enjin coin from the yesterday friends. But here is again a good news for all of you. As you can see here, after this time they again take a jump friends. Now at this time live, as I showed you the last 1 hour price change, so the last 1 hour price change is positive. That's mean that the Enjin coin again take a jump friends. So now what's the reason behind the falling of Enjin coin? Why they falls down in the last 1 day friends? The reason is that as you know, today is the 4th May 2021 friends. That is clear that it is the starting of a new month friends. Not only Enjin coin, a lot of cryptocurrencies, XRP, Cardano, Sap, Moon, Dogecoin, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down in the starting of new month friends. Same like that, the Enjin coin also falls down due to the reason of the starting of new month friends. So now the price change in the last 1 day as positive and negative, but now if we, as I told you that the last 1 hour price change is positive, so what should you do at this time as it is the best time to buy, sell or hold friends? Friends, if we look the last 1 day price change, so the last 1 day price change is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss friends. So I think it's the best time to hold Enjin coin at this time friends, because when you say, if you sell Enjin coin at this time friends, so as you know the price change is negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss friends. So wait for the big jump, the big pump of Enjin coin. When the change become positive, it's the best time for all of you to sell your coin friends. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.